Okay, we got this snake my wife found in the yard to let loose. I don't know what kind of snake it is, so maybe somebody will know and they can just tell me. Oh, we need this stick or not to coax him out of there. He's back in that cement block. So we're going to have to roll the block out and then try to get him to come out of the cement block. If he ain't that block, we got a problem.
Yeah.
That means he's somewhere else. He's in there. He's not poisonous, I don't think. Don't go to my truck. Don't go to my truck. Go the other way. Dang, he's fast. That dude moves.
I'm bad with this camera when there's a snake coming toward me.
What kind of snake is it, guys? Kind of pretty green.
Sucker's quick.
He is fast. There you go. Comment below. Let me know if you
They
know
should be
what
able to tell by the
snake he
tail
is.
too.
Out here in Arizona.
Yeah, there we go. Get a good up close of him right there.
Thanks for watching, guys. Get you on the next one.